yun o. Anong oras na o?
Bilang mo pa ata ng Luigi kaya nagmamadali.
Meron. 2-0 na. Walang ano daw yung isa. Walang jersey.
Maayos jersey nila eh.
May score na. 2-0 na agad. Walang jersey yung isa. Ayun na Vera! Wala lang. Ha? Uy, nito. Baka mag-graduate ka kagad ay. Kalma mo. Game na.
Cyber Dragons versus na tayo. Light Dragons. Okay, nakakuha. Atik. Pasok. Rico. Natutay ko sa problem na doon. And Puto, good. Rebound by si number 55. Good. Rebound by Inogero. Okay, number 14. Orpanel. Ontik na. Orpanel, pass to Bonifacio, no good. Rebound by Ibo. Patrick. Ibo. Pass to Job. Gana papasahan. Back to Patrick to Jaime.
Wow.
Traveling. All 0.
Kanino?
And for 3, go good! Out of
Ay,
time.
ito ko kuya.
Dito ka lang Kaya natin, 2-0 pa rin penalty. Into out of bounds. Time remaining 8 minutes and 45 seconds.
Tama kuya.
And the shoot. Rebound by Jaime, pass to Jeff. Nag-iisa. And a foul committed by number 14.
Hero pa ma-shoot ah.
Kasi, Ortanel foul. First leg foul. First number 14. Official score 2-0. Okay. Coach on the score. Next shot.
Pasok.
Second shot is not good. Rebound by Rico, dribbling the ball. Rico for 2 and a point. Official score 3-2 in favor of Cyber Dragons. I'm remaining 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Bilyar. Ano ba pasahan? Bilyar. Binigay. Sa kalaro. Rico to Joe. Bobo. Rebound by Rico once again. Rico, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 14. Orpanel. Sayang. Orpanel, dribbling the ball. Orpanel, nabitawan. Rebound by number 2. Ligan. Pass to Jaime, pass to Ligan. Okay, nakuha pa rin. Anggal po yun. And Bogot pa rin. Nakuha ni Jaime. And 2 points. Official score 5-2. I'm remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Elvaro. Astu. Bonifacio. Deflected by Jaime. Bonifacio for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Jaime yan. Jaime. Binigay kay Jod. No good. Another one. And a second chance. Shot. For 2 points. Isa lang every quarter. Okay. Official score 7-2 Time remaining 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Rebound, number 2, kay Iligan. Nakakuha ni Inobero. And pass to De Los Santos and a foul committed by number 6, Jaime. Time remaining 5 minutes and 33 seconds. Number 2. First shot for AJ De Los Santos.
7-2 score.
7-2 ang ating score. 5 minutes, 33 seconds. First shot.
Sino naka-foul?
First shot is good. Babalik lang yan. And the second shot is no good. Rebound by Suiko. Official score 7-3 in favor of Cyber Dragons. And ano po yun? Daw siya. It's a turnover. Committed by number 0. 14, dribbling the ball. Pass to Olivero. Ano papasahan? Back to Orpanel.
Ay, sayang.
Out of bounds. Ayan. Time remaining 5 minutes. And 30 seconds. Ayan, sinamahan sa ulo.
Ano
Team
yan?
by number 6, Bonifacio. And out of bounds. Kanino po? Sub rep. Number 17 in. Number 47 out. 5 minutes and 5 seconds time remaining for the first quarter. Okay, back to the building. Number 0. Ako, Jaime. As to Iligan. Even by Iligan. And 2 points by Iligan. Official score 9-3. 9-3 in favor of Cyber Dragons. Time remaining 5 minutes. Ayan. And 2 points. Official score. Christian Reyes.
5-9.
5-9 in favor of Cyber. Number 0-0. Pass to number 2. 15 to shoot. And for 3. No good. Rebound by Bonifacio. Pass to Orpanel. Ano papasahan? Orpanel. No good. Rebound by Suiko once again. Suiko. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass to Iligan. Ano rin?
11.
Committed by Igay.
Counted. 11.
Oh, good. And another 2 points by Job. Job, 2 points. Official score 13-5 in favor of Cyber Dragons. Rivero. Time remaining 3 minutes 40 seconds. Bobo. Rebound by Suiko once again. Suiko, ano papasahan? Jaime. Pass to Iligan. Oh, 2 points. 15-5.
Ano na?
3 minutes and 20 seconds. Villar, dribbling the ball. Villar. And Reyes for 2. No good. Rebound by. Oh, yun lang. Nakuha na Reyes. Once again. Back to Bonifacio. Wala. Jesse. Jaime. Meron na kuha yan ni Orpanel. No good. Rebound by itself. Aso, nawala ang ball. Line ball.
Time out.
Time out! Light Dragons. Time remaining 2 minutes. Broken play po tayo, no? 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Official score 15-5 in favor of Cyber Dragons. White ball po tayo. Number 0-0. Patrick, dribbling the ball. Patrick, pass to Jaime for 3 points! Official score 18-5 in favor of Cyber Dragons. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Ipana. Pass to Joel, no good. Rebound by Jaime. Jaime, dribbling the ball. Pass to Patrick. Patrick, dumiretso. No good. Nakuha ni Suhico. No good pa rin. And an out of bounds. Black ball. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Time remaining for the first quarter. Official score 18-15. Ipana, pass to Novero. 1 minute 40 seconds for the first quarter. Novero, napapasahan. Novero, pass to Ipana. Ano ba ito? Ipana, Novero for 3. No good. Rebound by. It's an out of bounds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Same ball. Tayo. 14 seconds. Nakakuha ni Patrick, kaso out of bounds. Black ball po tayo. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Time remaining. 14. To shoot. Forward. Ilalim yun. Yan na 2 points. Official for Ace 18-7 in favor of Cyber Dragons. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Jaime, pass it, no good.
Kuha!
Nakakuha ni Orpanel. Diretso, 2 points for Orpanel. 55 seconds. Time remaining for the first quarter. 18-9. Kalahati po kalamangan. Jaime for 3. No good. Nakakuha ni Guico. Pass to Job. Pass to Guico once again. No good. Rebound by Joel. Pass to Orpanel. And
Nice.
Ayan, was good. 18-11. Ang score natin. 25 seconds. Point for Joel. 13 seconds.
3 point.
0-0. 5 seconds. Sorry. Four seconds. 3, 2,
Sayang.
Cyber Dragons. 10 po ang kalamaan. Good. The second quarter. Black ball tayo, black ball. Ayun, start. Orpanel, pass number 17. Joel for 3. No good. Rebound by Pipo. Pass to Pelé. Brian. Diretso and symbol. Ako rin. Kasal tayo. Time remaining 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Right ball tayo. Same ball. Delay. Pass to Iligan. Wala po. Nakakuha rin ang buka. Nakakuha pa rin Patrick. James. Patikilya. No good. Nakakuha ni Lipana for the rebound. Pero balitaan pala yun. Jetro. Si Jetro pala ito.
Hindi mayangin yung bola, oy.
Orpanel for 2. No good. Nakakuha ni Mantikila. Manti, pass to James. And at Rabini, donated by James. I'm remaining 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Black ball po tayo. Official score 21-11. Balitaan. Pass to Inovero. Inovero for three. Go good. Ako po.
On the board.
Good. Galing.
On the board.
Ang lakas daw. Eh, sayang. Sakuha ni James. James. Pass to Iligan. No good. Rebound by Orpanen. Orpanen. And what's that red? Ano po yun? Arabili. Omitted by Orpanen. I'm remaining 8 minutes, 14 seconds. Wala. Ilan?
Lapay na.
Ilan, pass to Mantikilya. No good. Sayang.
Yeah, pasa. Sayang.
Balitaan to Orpanen. Orpanen.
Boom.
And offensive foul. Padala ka. Okay.
Grabe naman yun. Bigyan ng tinapay yan.
Pass to Pili. Pass to Pipo. And a reverse. So, 0 points. 23-11 po ang ating score. Pili. Balitaan.
Sorry na, nag-iis.
Balitaan, pass to Inovero. Inovero.
Go, Daddy.
Rotation for two.
Sayang.
Good. Rebound down.
Sayang.
James. For two. No good. Rebound by Inovero.
Go, Dayi.
Inovero.
Shit.
7 minutes and 7 seconds. Respond it? Wala. Nada pa. Black ball tayo, black ball. Right. Black ball tayo. Lalabas si Balitaan.
Go.
Aso Inovero. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Inovero, Pastor Orpanel. What a fake. Yan a shot. No good.
Sayang.
Rebound by Iligan. Iligan. Pass to Pili. Dribbling the ball. Palit. And James, muntik pa. Cortez, back to Pili. And a two. No good. Rebound by
Pasa.
Back to Balitaan. Reyes to goal.
Nice
2
one.
points. 24-13 ang ating score. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. People. Umante. Iligan. Diretso. No good. Rebound down. Orpanel ba diretso lang? No good.
Nice.
Rebound by Pili. Dinigaw. May Balitaan. Orpanel. De Los Santos. Cooper. De Los Santos. Official score 24-15.
Konti na lang.
23-15. Ito! Sobra tayo. Stop break. It's a traveling. Time out! Cybers. And Inovero.
Go, Daddy. Shoot
Inovero
mo.
for three. No good. Nakakuha ni Suigo.
Konti pa.
Suigo for the rebound. Suigo, pass to Pipo. And a Pipo. 2 points. 25. 15. Saktong kalamangan. Reyes.
Nice,
And
Dave.
2 points at may kasama bang foul.
Tinawagan kamay ko eh. Kaya hindi ako makapaglaro din eh. Ilang buwan eh.
17-25 ang ating pong score. Foul committed by
Kasi hindi naman ako mabilis. Sino ba?
Uspan Rep. Robert. Pagod yun 4 minutes and 40 seconds po. Suiko. Suiko for three. No good. Rebound by Navarro. And Navarro for the rebound. Navarro pass to Villar. Villar for three. No good. Nakakuha yan. May Villar.
Nak, wait lang.
Ikan. Ilagan. Pasok yung Suiko. No good. Rebound by Orfanel. Orfanel.
Teka, nak, wait lang.
Shot po. Shot daw sa red ball. 2 points.
Nice!
2 points. 25-19 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. And 2 points. May kasama bang foul yun? Who's wallet? Number ano? 11. Sorry. Okay, wait.
Seryoso yan?
3 minutes and 41 seconds. Stop. Pasok ka papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Official score 27-19. And Dogo, rebound by De Los Santos. I'm remaining 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Dogo, sige. Orfanel. Pass to GK.
Goody!
And a 2 no good. Rebound by.
Oy!
Nakuha ni si Rico. Rebound Panilagan. And a 2 points. 29-19. 3 minutes and 10 seconds ang ating score for the second. Nakuha pa ni Pipo. Pipo.
Agoy!
Patrick.
Uli!
Traveling tayo. 8 set traveling. Little pass.
Gugutom na kasi.
AM. 2 minutes, 45 seconds for the second quarter. Official score 29-19. Nobero. Dribbling the ball. Nobero.
Goody!
Kaso, it's an out of bounds.
Ano yan?
Dulas. Same ball tayo.
Same ball?
Same ball, sabi na rin. Nobero, naglabas ng bola. Nakuha ni Suiko.
Okay, okay lang yan.
Suiko. No good. Pero may foul.
Number 6. Ito, tama.
Committed by Bonifacio. Third team foul. And remaining 2 minutes and 6 seconds for the second quarter.
Samputan ba?
29-19 ang ating official score. Number 25, Suiko. Suiko for the first shot. And not good. For the second shot. And it's not good. Rebound by Lagan. Lagan for 2. Don't go. Nakuha ni AJ. As for Orpanel. And a foul. Ano din? Hindi na. Basket counted daw.
Counted.
Sabi na rin. 21-29. Committed by Bugum. Foul rep pala. Okay. Sino? Patrick. 0-0. Suiko for the save. Wala lang. Orpanet. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Orpanel. No good. Rebound by Tipo.
Sayang.
Tipo. Pass to Ligan. And foul once again.
Number 6. Foul basket. 1 throw.
James Rep. Committed by Bonifacio. Number 6.
Counted na.
Counted. 31-21 po ang ating score. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining for the second quarter.
Malis ka dyan.
Warning for penalty. Right?
Ha? Ilan na siya?
First shot. Salang ka na. Very good. Rebound by Villar. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining to the second quarter. Inovero pass to Bonifacio. Bonifacio for 2. No good. Rebound by AJ. Wala. Nakuha ni Patrick yan. Patrick. Iligan. 2 points. Time remaining 55 seconds. 55 seconds remaining for the second quarter. 33-21. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 3 points to the guy, Junior. This is a score 34-24. 25 seconds remaining for the second quarter.
Kuha. Nice.
15 seconds. 15 seconds
Nice.
and 2 points. 3 to the Orphanet. 26-34. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 points. Okay. And on the second quarter. 34-26 ang
Mamaya. Oo, tingnan natin mamaya.
okay, back third period. Next tayo. 3 points for people sa 3. 36-26 ang ating score.
Change na ba?
Change na sila. Oh, good. And a 2 points. Yes. Joel, Joel. 26-28. Oh, good. Rebound by Reyes. Orphanet. Oh, Joel. Kasi Reyes. Oh, no good. Patrick, pass to Joe. Joe. Pinasa ay Suiko. 2 points. Clear by Suiko. 38-28. Ating score. And an out of bounds. White ball po tayo. Eight minutes and 50 seconds remaining. The fourth quarter. Corona, steal by Patrick. 4 points to Patrick. 40-28 ang ating score. Orphanet, dribbling the ball.
40. Wala kasi 0 eh.
Orphanet, diretso. No good. Nakakuha ni Balitaan. Pass to JK. JK for 3. No good. 3 points. It's a 3 points. 31 and 40. Sorry Nakakuha naman. Bonifacio nagmamadali. Nakakuha. Pass to Orphanet. Relocation. Orphanet.
Bam!
Yan.
3.
3 points. Orphanet. 34-40 ang ating score. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, to Suiko. Suiko, pass to Maxi. Pass to Patrick. 15 to shoot. Patrick! No good. Rebound by Job. Pass to. Nakakuha ni Matthew. Pass to out of bounds. Sub, rep.
Rep, sub.
Sub, rep. Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Ay, pasok. Labas ang lalabas. 34-40 in favor of Cyber Dragon. Alright, back to the ball game now. Inovero. Inovero. Pass to Villar. Villar for
sayang.
good. Nakuha ni Jaime. Jaime for the rebound. Jaime. As bumalik si Inovero. 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 Good. Nakuha ni Tipo. Tipo. Pass to Ortanet. 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 Dumiretso.
Travel.
Travel. Alright, ha? Is a traveling violation.
Violation.
Input. Yes. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining to the third period. Patrick, miscommunication and out of bounds. Official score pa rin tayo, 40-34 in favor of Cyber Dragons. 7 minutes and 9 seconds. Villar, pass to Olivero for Churi. No good. Rebound by Sulico. Sulico for the rebound. Jaime, pass to Patrick. Pass to Tipo. Pinasa kay Jaime and out of bounds. 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
6 na lang.
Balitaan ang kalaban. Orfanel. Dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Inovero for Churi.
Lumabas.
Rebound by Jaime. Jaime for the rebound. Wala naman. Nakuha pa rin si Orfanel.
Galing.
Skill by
Go,
Orfanel.
kuya.
Orfanel for Churi. No good.
Sayang. Kuha.
Orfanel ulit. And at 2 points by Orfanel. 36-40.
4 na lang.
5 minutes and 55 seconds. Job, nasa ilalim and a foul committed by Balitaan. That's 7. Number 7. First personal foul. Sabrot. Cut it out. Delay, in. 5 ball po tayo. 5 minutes and 30 seconds for the third quarter. Jaime for 2. Go good! Ball po tayo. Technical, Olivero. One shot.
Technique.
One shot, one possession. Yeah. Jaime, it's a free for 1 point. 41-36 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 45
Okay na
seconds.
yan.
Tipo, pass to Jaime. Jaime for 2. No good. Rebound by Joe. Joe, pass to Kelly. Kelly for 3. Bitin. Nakuha ni. Balitaan. Pass to Villar. Dribbling the ball. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Villar for 3. Bang! 39-41. Assist by GK. Numero. 4 minutes, 15 seconds. Delay, pass to Jaime. 15 to shoot.
Basta agad yung bola.
Tipo for 2.
Wala, sayang.
Nakakuha ni Suico once again. Suico for 2 points. And may all down.
Ilan na ba? Dalawa lang? Okay.
Okay.
Ha?
Dalawa lang naman.
Ayun na.
Tingnan natin number 55. Basket count, 2 points. Kaya lang. Suico. Okay, 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Good yun.
Traveling one shot. Kanipod bang Orfanel? Sabret! Sabret! Pasok ako, pasok. Wala pang wala.
Magsabi
3
kayo
minutes
sa
and
ano,
20
referee.
seconds.
Kung magsasab. Kuya, pasabi mo sa rep pag magsasab sila, 6 sila
Yes.
kanina.
Jaime, pass to Suico. Suico for 3.
Yes!
Bang! 46-39. In favor of Cyber Dragons. Litaan. Hasta Inubero for three. No good. Rebound. And
Nice.
2 points by Joel. 41-46. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. JL for 2 points. 48-41. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Orpanel, dribbling the ball. Orpanel. Anderson. 15 seconds to shoot. No
Sayang,
goal.
sayang.
Rebound by Jaime. Jaime, pass to Suico. Suico for 2. No good. Rebound by Job. Pass to Inigan. JL, no good. Rebound by Villar. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Joel tayo. Kakuha ni Tulay, pass to JL, and
Ano
it's a
bola?
left. It's the same ball. Ewan po tayo. Jaime for three, no good. Rebound by. Nakuha ni Job. Nakuha ni Villar. Pass to Inubero. A minute and 30 seconds. Inubero, tumidiretso, and a foul committed by.
Ge.
Awa, F. Number 0. Delay. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay, Inubero, pass to balikan. Orpanel
Anak
for
naman
3.
sila.
3 points! Ulit by Orpanel. Sige, ay, balikan. 1 minute. Total quarter, Suico for 2 points! 50-44 ang ating score. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Orpanel, and a 2 points for Orpanel.
Bawi!
50-46. 40 seconds
Dapat na lang.
remaining for the third quarter. Good. JL, and a foul. Number 7, balikaan. 31 seconds remaining.
Atina?
46-50. Ating score, 31 seconds remaining for the third quarter. No good? Any first shot?
Manahimik ka
So
dyan.
the second shot is good. 51-46 ang ating score. 31 seconds. Orpanel, dribbling the ball. In the shot, and Aston.
Oy, foul! Sayang.
No good, and a foul. Who's foul left? 25. Foul committed by Suico. 15 seconds remaining. 46-51. First shot. First shot is good.
47-51.
47-51. 15 seconds remaining to the third quarter.
Aray.
Second shot. Second shot is good. 48-51 ating score. 15 seconds tayo. Mga kaibigan. Good. Highway. 10 to shoot. 5 to. Oh.
Again!
2.
Nice! Pasok!
And counted. Ayun. Assist by Villar.
50-51.
Official
Isa na lang.
score 50-51 in favor of Cyber Dragon. Isa na lamang kailangan.
Fourth na to, fourth.
Official score 51-50. Okay. In favor of. Okay. Okay, black ball lang. Black ball. Okay tayo ha. Okay. Lalabas yan si AJ. Pass to Orcanen. Orcanen, pass to Enovero. Enovero for two. No good! Rebound na naman by Suwito. Nakuha pa rin ni Orcanen. Orcanen. Dribbling na doon. Orcanen, direction, no good. Pero may foul. Tayo doon. Foul committed by number 6. Jaime. Jaime. Yes. Number 6. Isa.
Ay, sayang. Isa pa. Hindi. Pumasok.
The second shot is good. All 51. 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Tayo dyan. Patrick. Dribbling the ball. Patrick. Pass to Jaime. Jaime no good. Rebound by. Nakuha ni Bonifacio. Bonifacio. Easy lang daw. Bonifacio. Pass to Balitaan. Balitaan. 15 to shoot. Orcanet. Oh, it's a location. And no good. Rebound by 11. JL, pass to Patrick. Patrick for three. No good. Rebound by Inovero. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Inovero, dribbling the ball. Inovero, steal by Joe, 55. Steal, Joe. Pass to Suwiko. Suwiko for two. No good. Rebound by Iligan. JL, no good. Rebound pa rin ni Suwiko. Suwiko for two. Wala pa rin. And now, rebound by AJ. Pass to Orcanet. No good.
Sayang.
Rebound by Patrick. 8 minutes, 10 seconds. Patrick to Suwiko. Suwiko for two. 53-51 ang ating score. 8 minutes ang lalabit. Orsanen, dribbling the ball. Dalawa lang kalaman. 15 to shoot. Alitaan. 10 to shoot. Yes! Ay Inovero. 54-53. Oh, time out na rin. Time out. Ang ano? Oh, dead ball. Time out tayo. Light. Oh, ano na. Suwiko. Wala ba rin? 15. And to shoot. Oh, nandun si Joe. 2 points by Joe. And time out.
Ay! Ay, ba? Ay, oh pala. Sorry. Wait lang, ito na. Sorry ah. Sorry. Okay.
Kasi bench sila.
Oh, lamang ng isa. Oo.
Tama yun sa'yo, tama.
Di ba? Tama naman. Dito yung white.
Ito yung bola ng
White, no? So, lamang sila. Di ba? Tama naman ako itong mga to talaga. Lamang nga kayo eh.
Ito yung ano ninyo, ball, basketball.
Ito talaga mga to.
Time remaining 7 minutes. 7 minutes and 6
Ito yung sa inyo, ito. Ito yung sa inyo, ha? Lamang kayo, lamang. Oo. Isa lang. Isa lang yung lamang.
Kumabogin!
Talaga.
Black ball. 7 minutes, 6 seconds. Balitaan. Pass to the first. Nakuha. Bonifacio. And one down. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. White ball. Patrick. Patrick.
Ay!
Dribbling na ball.
Yun.
Patrick. Pass to Jaime. 15 to shoot. Suico. And...
Ano yun?
Traveling.
Ganun na lang? Ganun na lang yung tawag?
Sino talaga ng malaking mata?
Sabay siya rin yan eh. Balitaan. And 15 to shoot.
Pati na.
CJ for 3 points! 57-55 naman na po ang Light Dragon. Ang dalawa. 6 minutes. JL for 2 points. All 57 po tayo. All 57. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Out to tayo. 25.
Ay, mamaya na.
Taas kami ha. Created by number 25. Time remaining 5 minutes and 26 seconds. All 55 ang score natin.
57, 57.
Warning for technical. Number 55. All 57 po ang ating score. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Second shot is good! Lamang na po ang Light Dragon. 5 minutes, 15 seconds. Suico. Suico, pass to JM. JM, pass to Suico once again. Patrick, Patrick for 3. Is that good? Rebound by Job. Job. What's that?
Ano yung travel?
Stop rep, stop rep. Stop rep. Stop.
Mami, paano to?
4 minutes and 50 seconds na tayo.
Sagot lang, anak, sagot lang.
Okay. 4 minutes, 50 seconds remaining in the ball game. Balitaan.
Kaya may tubig ka dyan?
Balitaan. Pass to AJ! No good! And it's a turnover. Outside. Okay. 4 minutes, 25 seconds. Jaime dribbling the ball. Jaime, pass to JL. JL for 3. No good. Nakuha na yan. Nakuha din JL. JL. No good. Rebound by. Nakuha Suico.
Traveling muna tayo. Ikaw na muna.
Traveling po tayo. Time out. Cyber Dragons.
Time out, time.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 57 seconds. 58-57 in favor of hindi, pumasok na sa mga. Free throw, may free throw siguro pa din. Or pa din.
Oo, isa.
Isa. 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Lamang sila isa.
Unang ang Light Dragons ng isa. 57. Jaime. Back to Patrick. Patrick to Suico. Suico for 3. Bang! 60, 58. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Balitaan. 2, Inuvero. 15 to shoot. Inuvero for 3. No good. Rebound by JL.
Number. Wala.
Who's foul? Who's foul?
Wala.
Who's foul? Foul?
Laro. 6. JL and a foul committed by number 6. Bonifacio once again. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Time remaining. 2
Every game
minutes and
graduate.
33 seconds. Time remaining for the ball game. 60-58. In favor of Cyber Dragons. First shot is good.
Dikit na, dikit!
Ako!
33.
Ako, Daddy! Ako!
Yeah.
Daddy, 2
Good.
minutes.
Rebound by
2
17.
minutes pa.
Nakakuha ni si Rico. And out. Number 6 once again. Alam ko niya.
Graduate na? Kalay?
5 personal foul for Bonifacio.
Linton, yan na lang.
Labas ka na, labas na. 5 na.
5. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. 2 minutes and 3 seconds.
Sabit.
2 minutes and 3 seconds.
Gumugulo na.
61-58. Let's go, good.
Bless.
2 minutes and 3 seconds. remaining.
Hi.
61-58. Second shot, go good. Rebound by Joe. Oh! Number 7. 11. Sorry.
Counted.
Foul committed by number 11. Counted 2 points. Time remaining 2 minutes and 1 second. 2 seconds yun eh. 2 minutes and 1 second. 63-58. 2 minutes and 1 second. First shot. Ay, ano pala yun? Rebound by Suwico. Last 2 minutes. Suwico pa rin. Rebound. Suwico. Last sa Patrick. Take the shot. Suwico. No good. Rebound by. Nakakuha pa rin ni Suwico yata. Suwico na. Suwico. To Patrick. Pass again. JL for three. 66. Time out down, right? Time out. Light Dragons. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Sa ulo, nakahabol na. Wala pa.
Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. Official score 66-58 in favor of Cyber Dragons.
1 minute, ano price mo? Oras 1 minute?
1 minute 25. Sorry.
Oras na lang. Yung oras na lang ano yun.
Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. 66-58 in favor of Cyber Dragons.
Bola! Ay, bola!
Okay. Orpanel, free break to go. Orpanel. Diretso!
Nice one!
And a foul. And
Counted.
counted tayo. Foul committed by number 2.
Ay, sorry.
Time remaining 1 minute 14 seconds. 66-15. First shot. Ayos na pala. It's good. 59-66. Oh, good. 1 minute 10 seconds. Rico.
Kuya, counted yun. 61. 61 na. Kuya.
Then, shooting no good. 55 seconds. No good. JL, 2 points.
Kuya, 61 na sila.
66, 61, 45 seconds. Villar for 3, no good. Rebound by Jones. 10 to 5 seconds. JL, 2 points, 68.
70 na.
30 seconds. Jesse for 2, again. 70, 61, 22 seconds. And 17 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. 14, 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. 5. Yeah, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, 2.